Good morning. Happy last game day. It's currently 9:12. I've been up since like 7, just doom scrolling, watching just random YouTube videos. I just finished my breakfast. I started some laundry. It should be done in about 40 minutes, something like that. But I'm gonna do my lashes and start my hair. My parents just landed, so they should be here in about maybe 30-40 minutes, probably around the time my laundry's done. I'm gonna pick up my room a little bit. It's not too shabby, but it's just random clothes everywhere, you know, just the typical. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up my room a little bit, do my lashes, because I know if I wear mascara today, it's just gonna be everywhere, and I just want at least a few decent pictures. This is so sad. Like, I don't think it's hit me. I think at the very end of the game, it's just gonna be like, pew, like I got shot. I'm so nervous. So sad. Oh, it hasn't hit me yet. Like, I know I'm not ready. And like, I just like keep pushing everything off because I'm like, oh, no, it's fine. But I shouldn't. I'm gonna finish watching my YouTube video and do my lashes. And maybe I'll come back to you either when my parents are here, when I'm done with laundry, ready to go. Who knows, but I'll check back in. Yee. Hi. Okay, so it's been like about an hour 30, 2 hours. My family came by, dropped off their stuff.
We've been missing this.
I finished getting ready. My hair's done. I did my lashes in case I cry, which I know I'm going to. Even doing my hair, I was like, I almost cried about 5 times, but haven't cried yet. Haven't broke it, but I swear as soon as it breaks, it's just gonna be waterwork. But yeah, so excited. I'm so nervous. This is so sad. Like, it's not hitting. I'm gonna go grab a Red Bull and go to the training room. Maybe I'll record in there, maybe I won't. Depends who's all in there because I get nervous. Happy game day.
Please sing a day. What camera is that? How do you feel about your favorite seniors leaving?
My favorite senior has a lot though. It's me, guys.
But what the hell, boy?
I cried all last week. I can't.
You cried a week early. Imagine having anyone else by my side. It's hard to write about special or our most memorable moments because we have been inseparable ever since we sat next to each other on the way to Hawaii.
It was good, wasn't it?
Celebration one more time. One more time. Celebration. No, we're gonna do it right tonight. Hey, just feeling. Music's got me feeling the need. Yeah. Come on. All right, we're gonna celebrate one more time. Celebrate and dance so free. Music's got me feeling so free. Celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate and dance so free.
One down.
Take the damn sock off. Last time little piggies ever poking out.
I should just throw these away now.
You know.
Senior day!
Senior night.
Hey.
Maybe. This salsa is so good. Did we come here for Rock's birthday or Vika's? Kaylee's. Mine. Oh, that. You said you weren't gonna play.
Yeah. Burrito was devoured.
I told her if I want to go to the bar, I want to not do it.
Hi. I just finished my last collegiate soccer game. Every time I started to cry, Danny told me not to. So I had to walk away, control myself. But I will be crying tomorrow, I think, for sure. But we had dinner after. We at one of our favorite spots. It was a little Mexican restaurant. I showered. I didn't do my hair because we're going out. We're trying to go out like now. We're all going home, showering, changing, getting ready, and then we're going to the pregame. Before I start getting ready, I showered, rinsed off. Avika, one of the alumni, sent over a crossword puzzle. I'm currently doing a crossword puzzle before going out and celebrating with all my fellow seniors, with alumni, friends, family, all of the above, and I am so grateful for the girls. That's all I can really say before like starting to cry, but I'm extremely grateful and I'm very blessed, and the more I think about it, the more I want to cry. So we're just gonna end it right here. A little sweet, a little sappy. Maybe I'll add in some clips of later. Tonight will be a good night, great night, an even better day tomorrow because my family is here for most of the day, so we get to play little tourists and it will be very fun, and I'm so excited to show them around. So here's the clips of the pregame now.
Psych! One more time, got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate and